Hi, my name is Miriam Bogler and I'm the founder and CEO of Project Pause. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Media tool. The Media tool is one of the tools available for users in the workspace. There are several types of media that users can either upload from the internet or their computer hard drive, and those include images, videos from YouTube only at present, G Suite files, all types, PDFs, and websites. Media can be uploaded to the media section and then can be dropped on the workspace. Once in the workspace, students can resize the media with its handles. Media in a project belongs only to that project and cannot be found in other projects. In this tutorial, I will describe how to add and use images on the workspace, how to add and use videos and files as follows. How to add images. Find an image that you want to add either from the internet or your computer's hard drive. If your image is on the internet, open a new tab on your browser and search for the image. So let's say that I want photosynthesis. I'm going to select images and click on an image that I'm interested in. Right click on it and select copy image address or copy image location depending on your browser. Go back to Project Pause and click on the image tool, which is the third tool from the top. Click to add media, and because you got it from the internet, just paste the URL that you just got and click on insert. The image should show up there, and here it is. If the media is too big or if it is bound by copyright protection, you will not be able to add it. Now let's see how to use media. Click on the media button, again the third button from the top. Select the image or images you want to drop on the workspace and click add. The media shows up, and now you hover over the image and you get those handles. Using those handles, you can either increase its size or decrease its size depending on what your needs are. How to delete images. Generally speaking, Project Pause doesn't allow to delete anything. Nothing disappears permanently. But when you right-click on the image, you can select Archive Object, and that will archive that object, and the object will disappear from the workspace. Now, how to add videos and files. Find a video or a file that you want to add either from the internet or your computer's hard drive or Google Drive. Now let's see. So I have a video here about photosynthesis that I found, and this is on YouTube. Now I can click on the share button here and click copy, and then go back to Project Pause and again click on the media tool, which is the third one from the top. Click to add media and paste that URL. Now click insert and the video is here. Now if this is a G Suite file or a PDF, let's see how that is added to Project Pause. Let's say that I have this file here that I want to add. This is a G Suite Google Doc file. I am going to double click to open it, and we'll go to the share button. I will click on the share button, and here I'm going to go to make sure that this is something that is shared with everybody who has the link. So I'm going to click change link, and I'm going to go to and select here anyone with the link. Make sure that is there, and then I'm going to click on copy link. Now I'm going to go back to Project Pals, and I'm again click on the media tool, which is the third tool from the top, and click to add media, and I will paste that link that was just copied and insert. I just got a Google Doc icon. I'm going to drop it by clicking on it, drop it on the workspace, and there it is. I can now use it. Now, how to use these files, how to use the G Suite files or PDFs or the video that we just added. So now that we have this G Suite file, in order to use it, all you have to do is just double click on it and open it. And you can actually edit these files in this window, in this model window that opened up. So if I need to change something here, I just highlight it and start typing. And everything is the same as if you have been in Google. And of course you can scroll down and find everything. So that's for any type of G Suite file. If I want to drop the video that we just added to the workspace, I'm going to select it, which this was the video, click on add, and I can now hover over it and resize it if I need to. Of course, I see the play button here, so all I have to do is just click on play, double click on play. That opens it up in a model, and click again, and this will start playing. And this is how you add and use G Suite files and videos. Now, how to delete is exactly the same thing as I showed you with the images. Just right click and go to Archive Object and do the same thing with the video. Everything is archived, nothing disappears permanently. Thanks, and I hope that this was helpful. Enjoy using Project Pals.